In this activity, we are going to look at organelles. So to review the organelles from lecture, all cells, or most cells, have a nucleus. There's actually some cells that don't. And this has DNA, which codes for every protein the body can ever possibly make. Now, the nucleus is going to have a nucleolus, and that is going to make ribosomes and transfer RNA and messenger RNA. The DNA goes to this structure called a rough endoplasmic reticulum. And I'm going to show you a different model where you could actually see it's rough on it. And attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough ER makes proteins that will leave the cell, and the smooth ER is going to synthesize fats. Now, all this needs energy. So there are these mitochondria, which are the powerhouses of the cell. Now, this pout-pout fish, it really looks like the pout-pout fish, is the Golgi complex, or the Golgi apparatus. The rough ER makes proteins that leave the cell. This packages it. Centrioles are organelles that are going to help with cell division. And then we have lysosomes and peroxisomes. I colored the green and called them lysosomes. The pink is peroxisomes. I could not ask you the difference on the lab exam. So I'm going to send you to an external website where there are going to be numbers on organelles, and you'll put the mouse over and guess what it is. This is not that website. Now, you should be able to guess these on any model. So here, oh look, that looks like it's studded with ribosomes, like my Zoom. So see, it has ribosomes on. So this would be rough ER. That would be the nucleus. This sort of looks like the pout-pout fish. This one's disappointing, so that must be the Golgi complex. This is not studded with ribosomes, but it looks like that, so that must be the smooth ER. So you're going to be going and guessing. What organelle do you not see in this? Don't see a centriole, so this cell actually can't divide. Now remember what I said about the dots? They were green and pink on the last one. There's a yellow one here. I think the other one's red right there. Those are lysosomes and peroxisomes. I couldn't fairly ask you that on the lab exam. So here's another cell. It's the same type. Ooh, what does that look like? That looks like mitochondria. See, it's a pout-pout fish. That would be the Golgi complex. There's the nucleus. There's the nucleolus. That one's studded with ribosomes, so it would be a rough ER. If we move this over, no ribosomes, that would be smooth ER. And again, do I expect you to tell the difference between those two? No. When you click on the link, you're going to go to this website. And this is the picture from your lab book. What you're going to do, you're going to guess what the structures are. It's going to be my handwritten, it's going to be the typed numbers like that, and not these numbers right there. So I want you to guess what they are, then move the mouse. So what I want you to do to prove that you went to the webpage, yes, I shouldn't have used the same model, is you're going to write the numbers down next to the structures. So 1 is mitochondria, so I would write 1 down next to the mitochondria. So there's 3 cell models I want you to do. This is our beautiful cell model our lab tech made. She's very proud of it. Don't make fun of it. This is our commercial model that I believe we just purchased. So it's going to look a little bit differently. And then we have a third model. Oops, this is the mitosis activity. And we are going to just try to identify what the organelles are in it. So like, oh, that looks like a Vienna sausage. That must be mitochondria. So that's what you're doing in this activity. Thank you.